So now that we've got this portion of the assembly together, we want to do the links here. Now, I decided to save you the grief of having me build the links because we all know how to tear our fingers up. But using a pair of digital calipers on these, the gap here is exactly 12 millimeters. See that or not, but that's 12 millimeters. Okay, now with that done, I want to check the ball links because they obviously did not have any Loctite on them. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to Loctite all these ball links here. It's very important to go through and make sure that all your ball links have Loctite on them. Most of them aren't even tightened down. So, and the last thing you want is something coming loose on a 700. I keep mentioning that for safety reasons. And I will tell you I have been hit by the blades of a 450. Did quite a bit of damage, not only to the helicopter but to me. So with that said, I don't want to get hit by a 700 in any way, name, or fashion. The 450 hurt bad enough. A 700 is big enough to kill you. Heck, a 600 is big enough to kill you. Well, we have fun with these things. I won't always want to stress safety first because the 450 blades, which I had, were carbon fiber. They almost took 3 of my fingers off, and it cost me reconstructive surgery, several months worth of recuperation. So, we look at these things as fun, but they are definitely not toys, especially not something this size. It will hurt you. Okay, enough of that lecture. Another thing for you guys out there that like scale, this Chaos 700 I bet you would look awesome in a scale body. Doesn't belong there. Get this back together. So that's it there, that's it there. We'll just fit this on here like so. Run this down these guide rails. Sorry about the little bit shaky hands. Again, as I said, I suffer from what's known as benign tremors. I think my ball link pliers are about to give up the ghost. Yep, my ball link pliers are about to give up the ghost. assembly.